when I came on board March 9th, I had a nice surprise. While over the winter, they installed a new stove, a new grill, and a new floor. So this is the galley of the Spruceglen with the new stove, the new grill, the new floor. I love looking out these windows. My workstation here, which I enjoy standing, looking out the window. The second cook cleaned the stove. I asked if he wanted the overtime. He said yes. I said thank you. So he did a beautiful job. And then in here is the convection oven that I used quite often, and the back galley. So in this fridge is where I kept all my little sauces and things. And over here is where we did the dishes, and then the dishwasher. So the dishes that they use overnight, somebody kindly does them in the morning. So that is the galley of the Spruceglen with the new beautiful stove and grill. I hope I get to come back here.